In the year 2030, humanity has reached an inflection point. By 2030, artificial intelligence is expected to be deeply integrated into various aspects of life, transforming industries, and revolutionizing how people live, work, and interact. Here's a comprehensive overview of the concept of artificial intelligence 2030. How artificial intelligence will be affected in healthcare industry. AI will analyze genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data to forecast individual health risks. For example, a wearable device might predict a heart issue before symptoms arise, prompting early intervention. Companies like IBM Watson Health are already exploring predictive analytics to offer personalized health insights based on a patient's unique data profile. Virtual assistants will provide tailored health advice, schedule appointments, and remind patients about medications. They will also facilitate remote monitoring of chronic conditions. For example, AI-driven platforms like Babylon Health are expected to evolve, enabling comprehensive consultations through chat and video. Artificial intelligence will drastically shorten the drug development timeline by simulating molecular interactions and identifying viable candidates for clinical trials. Artificial intelligence in education. AI will create personalized learning experiences in real time, adapting content based on student progress and engagement levels. For example, platforms like Newton will evolve, employing algorithms that adjust lessons and materials on the fly based on assessment results. AI tutors will offer individualized assistance, helping students grasp challenging concepts through interactive, gamified lessons. Imagine a classroom where every student has a personal AI tutor, providing instant feedback and adapting to their learning style. Artificial intelligence will continuously assess job market trends and recommend courses, certifications, and skills for professionals to stay relevant in their fields. For example, LinkedIn Learning will likely integrate AI to suggest personalized learning pathways based on career aspirations and industry shifts. Artificial intelligence in business and industry. Businesses will implement comprehensive automation strategies, combining RPA with AI to create seamless workflows that improve efficiency and cut costs. Industries like finance and logistics will operate more effectively, enabling rapid response to market changes. Artificial intelligence will synthesize data from various sources, providing leaders with insights that enhance strategic planning and operational decisions. Platforms like Microsoft Power BI and Tableau will utilize advanced AI algorithms to deliver predictive analytics that inform business strategies. AI could manage energy consumption in real time, helping organizations reduce their carbon footprint. Google's AI for energy management has already shown significant reductions in energy use, setting a precedent for future applications. Artificial intelligence in transportation. By 2030, autonomous vehicles will be a common sight on roads, equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that enable safe navigation in complex environments. For example, companies like Tesla and Waymo are expected to lead the market, reducing accidents and increasing mobility for those unable to drive. Artificial intelligence smart public transportation will optimize routes and schedules based on real-time demand, improving public transport efficiency and reducing wait times. Cities will implement AI-driven apps that allow users to track buses and trains in real time, enhancing the commuting experience. Drones will revolutionize last-mile logistics, providing rapid delivery services in urban and rural areas alike. Artificial intelligence in retail. Retailers will utilize AI to deliver uniquely tailored shopping experiences, predicting customer preferences and suggesting products before the customer even knows they want them. Machine learning algorithms will analyze past purchases, online behavior, and demographic data to create a personalized shopping journey. Artificial intelligence will automate supply chain processes, predicting stock needs with exceptional accuracy and reducing both excess inventory and shortages. For example, Walmart's use of AI for inventory management could set benchmarks for efficiency and responsiveness in the retail industry. Virtual shopping assistant will guide customers through their shopping experiences, answering questions and helping them find products. Governments will implement comprehensive regulations addressing data privacy, AI accountability, and consumer protection, ensuring AI technologies benefit society at large. For example, public forums and consultations will become standard practice, promoting inclusivity in AI discussions. Artificial intelligence in robotics. AI enhances communication between humans and robots, enabling them to understand natural language commands, recognize emotions, and respond appropriately. This allows robots to interpret and understand visual information from the world, facilitating tasks like object recognition and manipulation. Artificial intelligence in the future of work. The workplace will increasingly feature collaborative environments where AI augments human capabilities. Workers will rely on AI for data analysis, routine tasks, and creative assistance. Many roles will adapt rather than disappear, requiring new skill sets. Workers will focus on tasks that require emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity, areas where humans excel. Companies will invest in upskilling programs to help employees transition into more strategic roles supported by AI. Remote work revolution will enhance remote collaboration through advanced communication tools, virtual reality meetings, and AI-driven project management. Artificial intelligence will create 500,000 new jobs in 2030 by PwC. Artificial intelligence-driven GDP growth will reach 14% by 2030. By 2030, AI will have transformed industries, revolutionized daily life, and raised important questions about ethics, governance, and human-AI coexistence. By 2030, AI will be more than just a tool, it will be a transformative force shaping every facet of life. While the benefits of AI are profound, society. Thanks for watching. See you soon on next informative video. Our focus on education, training, artificial intelligence, science, information technology, health and fitness and much more, and it's all free for the subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Your channel information world 360.